Hello friends, welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 0x80004005 on Windows 10 11s. Several solutions are shared here. Solution 1: Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Press Windows and I keys to open Windows settings. OK. Click on Update and Security. Select Troubleshoot on the sidebar. Then click Additional Troubleshooter on the right panel. Now click Windows Update. Hit Run the Troubleshooter option. Soon, it starts detecting problems in your computer. Finally, troubleshooting has completed. Solution 2: Run SFC and DISM scan. Type CMD in the Start menu bar. Then run command prompt as administrator. Enter SFC, Scano command line. Wait a few minutes until the process is complete. Then reboot your PC. Open the command prompt as administrator again. Run the command line listed in the video. After that, restart the PC to check whether the error has been solved or not. Solution 3: Clean boot Windows. Press Windows plus or keys to open the Run dialog box. Enter msconfig to open the system configuration. OK. Enter the General tab, click the Selective Startup option, and uncheck Load Startup Items. Then click the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on Disable All button. Finally, click Apply and OK to complete the settings. In the pop-up dialog box, select Restart. Solution for delete temporary files. Press Windows plus or keys to open the Run dialog box. Enter %temp% and click OK button. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all temporary files. Then press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete all temporary files. Hit the Yes button to confirm. Solution 5: Delete Windows Update Download Folder. Press Windows and the keys together to open the File Explorer. Then go to the Download folder. Delete everything in the Windows Update Download folder. Click Yes to confirm. Solution 6: Fix File, Folder Access Error. Open Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Then click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. OK. Check Turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. Solution 7: Examine the server message block settings. Type CMD in the Start menu bar and open it. Run the command line shown in the video, then you can check the start type. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.